Okay, so welcome to this particular video, and in this we are going to be talking about automation. So we call this as the workflow automation. So what is a workflow automation? Now think about it. You have certain instructions that you're giving it to your team member. So you tell them, you know what, whenever an inquiry comes in, first send them an email, second send them a WhatsApp message, and make sure that it reaches them. Now, what is this? This is a workflow. So you're telling your team member, this is your first step, this is your second step, and this is your third step. So this has been heard by your team member, and they follow your instructions clearly. Now, the best thing is I'm going to introduce you the Searchy automation as your team member. Okay, the Searchy dashboard automation is one of your team member who's going to work for you 24/7. Isn't that awesome? But how to make it work? We need to give it instructions. And that is what is workflow. I'm going to share with you how it works so that you can learn it for once. This is just a one-time understanding. And once you set it up, you can just forget about it because it's going to work for you 24/7. So how do we do that? How is it? I'm going to go from basics, and then I'm going to help you build in the following video. But in this particular video, what I want you to understand is what is a workflow, how it works, and I want you to design your own workflow, how you want to send messages. So without taking further time, let's go into my mind map and check out what are the most important things that you need to know in a workflow. So there are 4 steps. You can know about trigger. So trigger is nothing but you will tell when you want to do an action. Trigger is whenever this happens, I want you to do this. So whenever it happens is the trigger. Next is wait. So you can tell Searchy automation system that, you know what, as soon as an inquiry comes, don't send a message. Send them after 2 minutes. And after sending first message, you wait for 24 hours and then you send another message. Then you wait for another 24 hours and then you send another message. Imagine you can do this for like n number of times. You can do like 5 days, 10 day, 20-day sequence where every single time, every single day, you're sending some valuable piece of information for your inquiries. They will never forget you, right? Because once they inquired with you, you're giving them some knowledge, you're giving some information, you're talking about your products, and you're also giving them something to know about you. It's like reminding them, automated, and that is what is a workflow where you wait and you do that. And we also have like slightly advanced things like evaluate a condition. So the system can literally evaluate that did this happen? Then I want you to perform this action. You got the point, right? So if this happens, then you go and perform this action. So we'll go and understand everything step by step. So first we'll start with trigger. Okay, once I go into my automation system here, I click on automation workflow. And you will have a pre-built automation workflow here, which I'm going to start from scratch, but you can already go and use the pre-built one. It's already connected to your pipeline and CRM, everything. So it works perfectly. You can edit that. Okay, but I will use a new one so that I can explain you how it works and then you can make use of it because it's already pre-built. So when I click on add new, it'll ask me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's going to be more triggers that could come in the future. But as of now, what is available on my screen, I'll share with you. And you can go explore the new ones that you can see because we're constantly working and this is never going to be end to this. Because there's going to be so many scenarios where we want to like do some automation. So we'll work on this on a continual basis so that it can help you make those automations and easily create them. The first one is new contact added. Can you do that? Do something when a new contact is created. It's as simple as that. Whenever a new contact is created, I want you to do something. So when a contact is created is the trigger, number 1. Second trigger is form filled. We have the magic forms, right? You create that magic form, you put on your website, you'll put on your landing page, and you will tell the system whenever there is a form filled, then I want you to send a WhatsApp message. Now the trigger is form filled. The next one, you have multiple products. If you go into like products, you can check out there are many products that you can create depending on your plan, what you have. So when you have any of the particular product, then I want you to perform one action. Next is specific date. You can tell that based on one individual date, you can perform one action. And you can say every week on a Wednesday at 7 p.m. send this message. Weekly recurring, monthly recurring, every month on the 5th, send this particular message. You can do all these actions and these are called as the triggers as the first step. Okay, I hope you're clear with that. The second is the wait that is available here. So let's say that I go create like a simple one. I'd say like whenever a contact is created. Okay, so I'm going to go this on like, okay, walkthrough, and I'm going to click on get started. So it's creating my automation system, and this is how awesome it looks, right? Now, whenever a contact is created, I click on this plus mark below, which you can do it right now. And if you're watching in a phone or a tablet, I highly recommend please use a laptop or PC, because these are little complex modes which you cannot probably like have that easy access on your phone. But we are making the best efforts to make it as available as possible. But in case if in your phone or a tablet you're not, so tablet I think should be fine, but if in your phone you're not able to like do it, please shift to a laptop or PC and do it, because these are like, this gives you more easier way and more visually appealing when you're doing it on desktop. So I can go click on the plus mark, and I'll see here there are multiple things: instant email builder, email templates. I told you, right? Instant email builder is you can build it from here. You don't need to create a template. Email templates are something you created, email templates. Those email templates will reflect here. And next is send a WhatsApp message. It's like sending a direct automated message. When a contact is created, send a WhatsApp message. It's as simple as that. Now you can see this wait is also here. You can tell wait here, and then evaluate a condition operation. So I shared with you all these modules like 1, 2, 3, 4. Trigger, wait, evaluate condition, and operation. Now how these work, let's go one by one so that you understand, and then we'll create a new one for you. Just understand the process, that's it. Now whenever I click on instant email builder, it opens up. So I can call this as like welcome to community, and I can write my name here. Okay, and then I can say from email, maybe I can write like Karthik Naidu at gmail.com. Okay, and once I've done with this, it reflects here. So then I click on save and next. So it goes next thing. So I've got an empty tab here. So I can go like hi, and then I can go like pick up whatever I want to like call them, and I can say or I can just straight away go here and mention like welcome to the community. Okay, I can just like make it bigger, and you can say here are the 3 steps. Okay, then I go here, I write like step 1 like login, step 2 explore, and step 3 get started. Okay, I'm just writing it. Okay, then I go here and I write like cheers, and then I write my name here. So I'm creating a instant email. That means I don't have to create a template earlier. So I can just click on next here, and I see everything is like ready. So content is also done. So I can go click on send test mail. I can send it to any one of my email IDs that's available here. Let's choose that. Okay, so you can call it as searchy.in. Okay, so I can click on this. I can click on send. The moment I send, it has sent a tracking here. And what I can do once it's completed here, I can just go click on close. Okay, now what happens whenever a contact is added, it will create a new template. So let's log in, and let me open up, just give me 1 second. Okay, let me just open up here, and once it's opened up, I can show you the message. So that's the reason. Okay, so if you check out here, you see welcome to community. The name is from Karthik Naidu. It says welcome to community. Here are the 3 steps: login, explore, get started. Cheers, Karthik Naidu. You see that? So the messages instantly come here as an email, which you can do, and you can send it. The second one is the email template. So you can straight away go here. You can choose like email template, and you can mention the same thing like welcome, and then you can go write your name. You can mention your email ID. So you can write like Karthik Naidu at gmail.com. Okay, and once it's click on save and next, and then it gives an opportunity for you to create an email template, or you can like upload your template. So you can like even click on this template here. You can go check out your basic templates, whatever are available here, or you can go to featured. You can check out themes. You can check out my templates. You can upload anything. So in case you pick up your template, you just like select this, and once it's done here, you can compose this email if you wish to, or you can just click on next here. Okay, the moment you click on next here, you can again like go and send one more here for testing. You can just go here and send this just to see. Okay, so I've not added some of the HTML things, but once you create a template, you should be able to like check out this and send this straight away into your email. You should be able to check that and your email template will work. The second one. Okay, hope this is clear. So let's go to the next step now. The next step is the WhatsApp message. So how to send a WhatsApp? Simply click on WhatsApp and you need to like select one template here. If you ask me, Karthik, can I type it here? At this point of time, no, but when you're watching this later, you could be doing that. Because as I told you, there's no end to creating a workflow. It's like evolution that it keeps on evolving. So it could be possible that you'll be able to type here straight away. But for the moment, it's template. So in case you don't have a template, just click on create template. You just put a name to this template, write a message, use the shortcodes. Like you can put the name of that person, you can put a phone number, you can put email, everything. Okay. And once it's done here, you can select that message here. See, you can see that welcome to product number 1. I click on confirm. That's it. Now, I love WhatsApp automation. Now, why is it? Because it's easy, it's step by step. So if you ask me like email automation is awesome, yeah, you can do that. Absolutely, it's like good enough. But WhatsApp automation is like crazy. Think about it. Your contact is created, you're sending a WhatsApp message. Now we'll go to the next step. It's very simple. WhatsApp is no brainer. It's just click on that, create a template and upload it. That's it. Like approve it. Next is the wait. After sending a WhatsApp message, maybe I want to wait for 1 minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour. I can go click on 8 hours and click on confirm. So now what the system does is after sending the message, it waits for 8 hours. Literally, you don't have to like check on it back. So it waits for 8 hours and then you tell like, you know what, now you go and send the second WhatsApp message. You'll see like this is a follow-up one and you will add this up. You see that? Message come, message sent, wait 8 hours and do it. So this wait period can be anything. Literally it can go from 1 minute or you can even go to 1 week, 2 week, 1 month, 2 month, or you can even go based on custom. You can go like 1 year also up to like, you can just go here and mention like what exactly you want, like 1 month. You can just click on 1 month, click on save. So what happens basically is like it will wait for 1 month and send the message. So it can wait for minutes or hours or months or year also. So it's up to you how much you want to make the automation wait, and you can do this. Now once you've completed this, the final one is the operation. Now it's the evaluate condition. So now you're done with wait. Now you need to evaluate a condition. So what kind of a condition can you evaluate? So when you click on this, you will have multiple things. When the subscriber reads an email, do this. When somebody clicks on the link, do an action. When a user is filling the form, then do this. Click on this. And when you say, whenever a user fills up, 3 forms we have. AI copywriting services, then what I want you to do is, if the answer is yes, so left is yes, right is no. If they fill up this particular form, then you send another WhatsApp message to them. You can go here, click any of the template here and just click on confirm. You see that? So you're creating the workflow as in your mind into the reality. It's like it's done here and you put the condition, you send. And again, you'll go further here and you will say like perform action. Like you want to like conduct one operation. Click on this operation. And if that person has filled up this form, send a WhatsApp message. And also I want you to update the contacts, tag the contact, you tag this person. For instance, let's put a tag here. Let's tag this as like a warm lead, maybe something like that. Click on enter. You can do anything. It's up to you. You can add a tag of contact. Then you click on this again and you can create another operation where you can copy this contact to a group. I told you about the groups, right? So you can go and create like product one group, and because this particular person is inquired, you check the condition if they fill the form and you're adding them to the group through the WhatsApp, through the workflow, right? And then when this is done, you can check out the final operation is exit the workflow. In case you feel this person is already a customer, you finished all your automation, then in the last what you'll do is exit the workflow. I'm done with it. Now click on this back automation. Don't click on this. Click on back. Now what you do is you go and hit on the save here on the right hand side. I think you're not able to see that. Just hold on. I'll just turn off my video so that you'll be able to see that more clearly. Okay, awesome. So hope you're able to see that. Yeah. So on the top you can see this paused button is there. Just go click on on. It'll ask you you're about to enable the walkthrough automation. Confirm it. And congratulations, your workflow is live right now. Can you check that? Your workflow right now is live. Let me come back with my video. Yeah, I'm back. So your workflow is live right now. You can click on go back. And now what happens is this particular workflow, whatever we created is going to happen on a real time. When a contact is created, it will send an email, it will send a WhatsApp, it will wait for 8 hours, send a WhatsApp, and all those whatever you checked out is being designed here in this. And once your workflow is like set up, you are ready to go and rock, because you literally can create anything that you want. Okay, you can literally like create. Your imagination is the power. Now what I want you to do quickly is I want you to write your workflow now. Okay, do not come to the next video without doing this step. So you know the triggers, you know the weight, you know the evaluate condition, you need the operation. So before you even build a workflow, I want you to just go explore this completely. And once you've explored all these options, you've kind of like tested it out, create a workflow, just test it out, see how the message comes, add your number, scan the code, explore completely, and come to the next video. And I will give you like multiple ways on how you can create your automation workflow, how we can make it happen. And once you've created, it's going to be powerful. You also have something called as template, which is snapshot, right? So you can make use of that, or you can create your own, but I'm going to show you how to create your own in the next. And some of the case studies I can give you, like what is the way that you can create it and how you can nurture. And as I told you, there's a completely evolution. It keeps evolving and it's revolutionizing. So you can go like explore all these modules, whatever I gave. Watch this video multiple times in case if you feel that this is slightly like above my head, Karthik, I didn't understand. Nothing to worry. You don't have to know this first time. All you need to do is watch this multiple times, explore this multiple times, and believe me, this gives you so much of power. Instead of you telling 100 times to any of your sales team or anybody to do some certain work, you can go tell Searchy automation system one time. One single time, exactly tell that. And once you're completed, you're like ready to go ahead and automate your whole business. So complete this step in the next video. Let's build your own automation system. But before that, write it, explore it, and only then come to the next video. I request you please to do all of this. The reason is because if you just complete and keep jumping the videos, you might not get the actual power of it. I want you to, because I'm spending this exact process with you as much as you doing that. Instead of you going and doing it alone, I'm with you on this journey. We are having a conversation. We're talking about it. We are like building things. So I trust you and I believe you that you're on the same page and doing the same. So complete this and I'll see you in the next video. Let's build your own automation system.